Hello everyone, welcome to another AIMM Portugal video. You're joining us here in the Algarve, to the south of Vila Moura and Corteira. We're here with a really beautiful group of bottlenose dolphin. They're very sociable, swimming alongside the boat. We've got a really nice group here consisting of at least 2 calves, maybe more. We believe that one of those calves is actually a newborn. One of the ways we can identify these newborns is with the fetal folds, these marks on the side, on the flank of the animal from when the animal was still inside the womb. So it's a very young animal indeed, which is always really nice to see. Oh, the dolphins are putting on a bit of a show for us as well today. We're getting a lot of big leaps, lots of socializing behavior. Got a nice group. The calf is here, just right alongside the boat. It's a few meters underwater, but it should be coming up any moment now. Yeah, I think we have at least 2 calves, maybe more actually. The dolphins are in a really playful mood today, swimming around the boat, jumping out of the water, socializing together. Yeah, hopefully you'll be able to see the calf just about 5 to 8 meters away from the boat now.
There we have another one. I think that is the new one.
Oh, here's another one coming over to say hello. The sea conditions were really calm today, so actually when we stopped the boat, we're able to hear the whistles from the dolphins. As we have no wind, it's very quiet at the moment. So this species is one of the most frequently sighted species of cetacean here in the south of Portugal, but it's not every day that we see them in this kind of behaviour. Sometimes they can be a bit more evasive, they might be diving, foraging for food, spending less time at the surface, but today we've managed to catch them in a really nice, relaxed, playful mood, so that's always nice to see.
Okay, they are all behind us. Turn a little bit to the left. Let's go to the other side.
We've actually got dolphins on both sides of the boat now, so we're going to concentrate a little bit more on this little group to the port side of the boat. One of the things the team are engaged in at the moment is photo identification, so we're trying to capture images of all the dorsal fins of the animals in this group so that we can later add these individuals into a catalogue of all the bottlenose dolphins that occur in this area in the south of Portugal. As the dolphins get older, they pick up sort of nicks and notches and marks in the dorsal fins, so this allows us to identify each individual. Well, I think we're gonna wrap up this video for just now. We may well be back. We're gonna get continue to follow this group for a little bit longer, get some more data from them. But thanks for joining us on this video with the AIMM Portugal team, and hope to see you guys again soon in the future. Okay, bye bye. Adeus.